In this video, I will show you how to exclude internal traffic and unwanted referrals in Google Analytics 4. This is very important GA4 settings because it helps keep your analytics data clean and accurate. Go to admin, then move on data stream. Go to your website data stream, scroll a bit, configure tag settings, then scroll a bit and show more. Now click define internal traffic, click on create and name your role name as you wish, like I choose my IP. Traffic type should be internal and enter here your IP address, then click on create. Now back to admin, move on data filters, then go to internal traffic that we create, scroll a bit and make sure it's active, then click on save, active filter. From now GA4 will exclude traffic from your IP address. Sometimes users leave your website and visit another service, from example Stripe, PayPal or Calendly. When they return, GA4 may record those websites as referral source. Let's see how to exclude unwanted referral. Go to admin, open data stream, go to your website data stream, scroll a bit and click on configure tag settings, scroll a bit and click on show more, then scroll a bit, click on list unwanted referrals, add condition, referral domain contains like calendly.com, then save. GA4 will no longer count calendly.com as a referral source. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video and subscribe for more GA4 and Google Ads tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.